Ladies and gentlemen, today we're going to be diving down into two very important platforms. I'm going to tell you guys right now, one of them is definitely better than the other. However, you need to listen to both sides and you need to tell me exactly what you think. Let's go ahead and dive right into it. Okay, so welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. As mentioned, we're going to be diving down into two important platforms. We have Invidia Trade, and then we have what is known as Oanda. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, technically, in my opinion, one of these are better than the other, okay? So if we dive down into it, we got Invidia Trade, kicking it up at the top. You guys can see right here, we got pairs and stocks, okay? We got account types, we got PAM accounts, deposit and withdrawal, we got how to find an account, and then we even have an affiliate program. So if you kind of scroll down, you guys will just see like through the website, I mean, look at this, you guys, okay? Everything is super easy and simple, okay? We got easy deposits, quick withdrawals, which is great. Scroll down further, you can see right here, more reasons to trade with Invidia Trade, right? So market enterprise, not only that, they got revolutionary technology, passive income, which is good. Then we even have trust, okay? So you guys, literally just scrolling through it, you can see that this is what the main homepage looks like. However, whenever it comes to say Oanda, you guys will see it right here. Obviously for trading, look at this. They got a massive amount of things here, okay? All right, there's a lot of things you got to search through. Not only that, there's a lot of other things like that I probably don't even understand. And then we even have up here, we have platforms. So it's great that they have it on mobile. They got TradingView, they got MetaTrade 5, and then they have depth of market. So I'm going to tell you guys right now, some of this can get really confusing. They even have tools and resources, technical analysis. We got MetaTrader premium tools, VPS partners, right? Then they have Oanda Labs, and then they even have account types, right? So we got premium trader account, refer a friend, introducing broker, right? And then obviously they got account support, okay? So I'm going to tell you guys right now, if you kind of scroll through here, you're definitely going to see there's a lot that you need to take in, okay? It kind of all like hits you at once. And once you start to go through, you're like, geez, why is there so much stuff on here, right? You literally have to take your time to even get started or to even think about it, right? And not only that, there's so much words and, you know, lingo here. You may just like get confused and be like, I don't want to do this, right? So you guys will see right here, they do offer many other things. So we got trade global CFDs, including FX, right? Indices, commodities, cryptos, and shares, right? Choose from spread only or core spread commissioning accounts. Okay, that's a little confusing. And we even have take advantage of tight spreads. Okay, so tight spreads, obviously that is something extremely beneficial, especially nowadays, right? Because you need the tightest you can get so you don't technically lose any type of money, especially whenever it comes to entering and exiting trades. So I will give them that. It looks great. Now you guys can clearly see like we're still scrolling through this website, right? Like it's still taking its time, okay? So you guys can see right here, if you already have a live trading account, it's easy to fund your account, right? You can see that right here, many different payment methods. Take advantage of MetaTrader. Okay, I do give props to that. I just don't understand the fact why they got to throw in, what was it, like TradingView, depth of market, like all that stuff in there as well, because that just, you know, if you're using this one, why switch them to another platform and all this other stuff, right? It's just a lot of stuff, okay? So if we scroll down, you guys can see right here, they talk about powerful tools. All right, that's great, okay? And we're still scrolling, you guys, okay? A premium account for premium traders, okay? So you guys can see all the different things here that they have to offer. And then we have an award-winning broker. Okay, cool, okay? So pretty awesome, okay? Now, if we go back, you guys are going to see for Invidia Trade, once again, I mean, this is easy and simple, right? You can just kind of click right here, pairs and stocks, and you guys will see right here, they do talk about different type of markets here, which is good. So Forex, right? They even have a section for indices. They got commodities, they got cryptos and stocks, okay? So you guys, you can see everything right here, right in front of you, all right? Unlike our sponsor today is helping people secure their privacy online. Now, if you are trying to automate your business online, then you're going to need what is known as a proxy. Proxy for You is literally the best and by far reasonable price proxy provider in the entire world. You get super fast, reliable proxies with unlimited bandwidth, which is perfect whether you are scraping, using bots, or just browsing. So you guys, whenever it comes to Proxy for You, be sure to check it out today. They are our sponsor, and I'm super proud to be using them myself. So go ahead and check out the link down below in the description. Let's go ahead and get right back to the video. Whenever it comes to this one, right, Oanda, you literally have to click on each and every single one, right? I want you guys to understand that, okay? So it's cool that they do provide a lot of information, but I want you guys to understand, once again, it's kind of a lot, okay? You guys can see you got to click on the next one, right? And then you got to go through this process, right? You had to click on each tab. Unlike Invidia Trade, everything is literally right here on one single tab, all right? Moving on, let's talk about account types. You guys are gonna see right here that they do have many different type of ones, right? We got standard, we got the pro, we got VAR, we have mini, okay? Now, I will tell you guys right now, each and every single one of these obviously provides many different things, right? So once again, this is going to determine, like, are you a beginner? Are you a professional? Are you just like a swing trader? What you looking for, okay? So each and every single one of them does have different things, and you guys can clearly see we got 4 different types, okay? Which is actually pretty cool, okay? So I like that. Technically, they do all the same, and you guys can see that. Some are commission per lot, right? And some are no commission per lot. Not only that, you guys can see the typical spreads, especially whenever it comes to the pips, okay? And you guys can see, obviously, they got different pairs as well. Majority of them have 200 plus, except for this one right here, okay? Now, if we go and take a look at this one, right, you guys will see you got to search for it, all right? You got to see if they have any type of accounts. I'm not seeing anything. I see pricing and charges. Is that for their accounts, right? You guys can see just kind of continuing, right? Account types, here we go. So we got like premium trader account, and that's all I'm seeing here, okay? So I'm not really seeing anything else. Upgrade to a premium or premium plus account. Okay, so they have like this little box here. You got to see what has a check mark, what doesn't have a check mark, right? It's just kind of, in my opinion, just kind of confusing, okay? Looky here, premium trader account. Look at that, you guys. We got volume, okay? So are you going to be able to hit these levels of volume? I mean, that's going to be absolutely insane, okay? So yeah, anyways, Invidia Trade, everything's right here, you guys. Super easy and simple to get around, okay? Continuing, you guys will see right here, we have what are known as PAM accounts. PAM accounts are great nowadays, right? You literally just got to like deposit, and it kind of just does everything for you, right? We got money managers, the investor, and then we have the broker, okay? Advantage for investors, right? Advantage for managers, right? So this is actually pretty cool. I like how they provide all of this information, okay? So basically, this is a form of combined trading account that enables an investor to allocate his or her money from their own account to the account of a more experienced trader, okay, or manager, okay? So which is actually pretty cool. So if we actually take a look here, I did not see anywhere where it talked about a PAM account, right? Introducing broker, maybe. That's definitely not refer a friend, right? So I didn't see anything. I didn't see that they offered this, okay? Oanda, all right? So which is okay, but hey, some people don't even have time to trade, right? They just want to get in, they want to deposit, and then let their money grow, right? They don't have time, or maybe they're not able to actually, you know, read charts and all that stuff and go through the whole process. You know, whenever it comes to Invidia Trade, it makes things super easy and simple, okay? Deposit, boom, easy and simple, right? If we take a look here, you guys will see right here, deposit and withdrawal. I mean, obviously that's going to be very important, right? So you guys should see that they have many different methods that are available, and you guys can see that. And obviously, we kind of took a look here on the main part of the website. If we kind of scroll down, they talk about how you can deposit, right? I'm not seeing anything, especially whenever it comes to crypto. They may accept crypto, but you guys can see right here, you can use Bitcoin, right? And there's a lot of other ways. You can even do a bank wire, right? There's a lot of different ways. So whenever it comes to this one, I mean, you can see fund your account, but not really. I don't. Some of these I don't even know what they are, right? I know Wise, Visa, and MasterCard, but the other ones I don't know. Okay, bank transfer I do know. Okay, But yeah, continuing on, I will go ahead and tell you guys right now, they do have a section on how to fund your account, which is great. They actually show you how to get started. And then they even have an affiliate program. So this affiliate program, you guys, this is top of the line. They even have a payout structure. So we got spread out, high rise, we have top heavy, and more. Okay. We have affiliate traders, multiple benefits. All right. Now, if we go here, let's see if they do have refer a friend. That's what it's called. So it states that you could earn up to 1,000 for yourself. Okay. Your friend could also earn up to 1,000, refer up to 15 friends. You you guys could. Okay. Doesn't mean you're going to, right? You may refer 15 friends and get $5, right? So you guys can see right here, get in touch, check your inbox, final details. I mean, okay, cool. Minimum deposit size. They got to get volume. Like, it's just it's a hassle here with Oanda. All right. So, anyways, you guys clearly tell. I mean, if you're looking to get started, go over here to register. I mean, that's all you got to do for Invidia Trade, right? You can just go through this process, which is awesome, right? Individual, corporate, it's easy and simple. Here, you got to click on start trading, and you guys will see right here, ready to open accounts, and then they ask you all these questions, okay? So Invidia Trade, technically top of the line here, in my opinion. I'm gonna highly recommend that you guys dive down into this. You can get started today, but my overall opinion, Invidia Trade, I would definitely be picking this one over Oanda. Okay, so there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Be sure to check out the links down below. And the question is do you agree with me? Invidia Trade, you guys, that is the one I'm definitely picking 100%. If you guys disagree, or if you guys think there's another, or let's say a better platform out there, be sure to leave a comment and tell me. Smash up that like button, smash up the subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video.